So hello YouTube, in this video I'll be teaching you how I decorated this cake. Yeah, basically that's just it. This cake stressed me though, but then we conquered. So yeah, stay tuned and let's head straight into the video. So I'm starting off the video. I'll just this like a little bit of buttercream mixed with cocoa powder. Just cocoa powder. I want to create this brown gradient because I'll be ending it with drips. So I'll just start with the base on this cake, and as soon as my buttercream is exhausted, I will just add more white buttercream until the cake is completely covered. So it will create this brown to light gradients to light brown gradients, and it's gonna be lovely because I'll be ending it off with a similar drip. So at this point I'll be removing some dark buttercream because I want a really light color ending the whole cake. So I'm just removing a chunk of the buttercream, keeping it aside on my plate so I could add more white plain buttercream and finishing up the cake with a lighter shade of So I've successfully covered the cake right now. So I will just be scraping the excesses out and creating my pattern at this stage. So yeah, I have some excess here. So I will just be filling up the gaps with my palette knife. And I'll be keeping this chunk back. So continue with the design. I'm just going to make a simple texture on the body of the buttercream. So I'll just go like this. So you just gradually raise your hand up as you see that you've come to the other, as you see you've gone around the circumference of the, so you end with the top, and you can start from the middle. I would be bringing my drip in the next stage, and maybe I will just pipe in some buttercream with this remaining buttercream at the top of the cake, just to solidify the design, and we'll call it a day. So coming back, I'm here with my drip. I made my drip a bit watery than normal, so I will just be pouring it up just a little bit from the edge, so that will give it room to follow its fate. Okay, I think my drip is a bit drippy. So what am I gonna do? I think I will just use my palette knife to create a pathway for the drip to drip down. Ouch! This is spoiled this cake, honestly. So what are we going to do? We cannot clean the drip. It's going to spoil the design. We cannot what are we going to do? So coming back, fuck it. You are the creator, and whatever you give them they collect. So I'm just going to put drip all over the top of the cake, and yeah. So yeah, that's basically it. I'll just leave it to drip on its own. Then I would come back with I will leave it to drip on its own. Then I will try and clean the ball the best way I can. I'm thinking here's my front. Yeah, here's my front basically. Then I'll come back with a piping bag and a piping bag with this in the piping bag, and just pipe around the top, and maybe probably add some biscuits to make the cake elegant. So at this point, I think the dripping is over. So using my scraper, let's get cleaning. Let me get a. So I think I did a good job. Yeah, being my front, I'm just gonna come back with my piping bag and my biscuits with a topper, basically. So starting off, I will just be putting the happy birthday topper at the middle. Okay, then I would use my piping bag with the M12 to just give it a little bit of design around the topper. I don't want too much though. Okay, then I will come here too. I don't want to round the cake, so I would stop here. Okay, then using my Maryland cookies, I will just add a little bit of depth. So this is it, guys, and I could just still add one here to end it. So yeah, basically this is the end of this video. So yeah, do want to like, subscribe and leave a comment, and I believe you learned a lot from this video, from my mistakes. You shouldn't make your drip too watery, and you shouldn't you should have a smooth sharp edge before you start putting your drip. If not, it will end up ending in tears. So yeah, I think I'm gonna catch you next time. Peace out.